What you're viewing is a vintage, mint in the box, 1964 Remco Whirlybird. Remco put out many variations of this Whirlybird, and this happens to be the Monkey Division variation. In the mid-60s, Remco put out a line of toys called the Monkey Division, and it was basically jungle guerrilla warfare toys. Guns, rifles, helmets, canteens, you name it. And they happened to put out this variation of the Whirlybird, which is quite rare. I was fortunate to be able to pick it up. We're going to have a demonstration of it, and you can see it's a very large toy. Here we go.